MIL-COMM's flagship product is their TW25B grease, better known as T-Dub by the military folks. This is a grease designed to lubricate weapon systems, both heavy and light, and it's been used by the military for over 30 years. That's not only the US military, that's other military and police forces all over the world. If it will work for the military, it will work for you in the environments you're going to work in. So how does this product work? TW25B is a grease. So it is a microparticles suspended in a synthetic lubricant solution. Now, what do those microparticles do for you? Every metal surface has porosity to it. Regardless of how smooth it seems, even glass has porosity to it. When you look at it under a microscope, it's got holes in it. Those holes are what create friction. By using a product like this, you've got micro-engineered particles that fill those voids and create that smooth lubrication and smooth surfaces to reduce tension on those surfaces. By doing that, you're increasing reliability and you're increasing the functioning of your weapon systems. The benefit of those microparticles and the benefit of filling those voids to create that system is that you perfect that surface, you protect that surface because you've penetrated it with those small microparticles and allowed it to bond to the metal and improve your functioning. So how do we use TW25B? It's designed to be used on all moving parts that you can reach on a weapon system. Doesn't matter whether it's a shotgun, pistol, rifle, heavy weapons. If you can reach it and you can polish it with TW25B, those are the parts you want to use. Now those friction points that you can access, those are both rails, lugs, any of those parts that are going to rub against other metal will benefit from TW25B. And the reason why, again, is that metallurgy aspect of it. They're taking those voids in the metal and filling them with those microparticles, and it's going to last. Now, don't use a lot. When you use TW25B, what you're actually doing is almost kind of polishing the grease into the surface of the metal. You don't leave a lot of residue. A small white haze is just fine. But if you polish it all the way into the metal, the protection is now there. Once you get that protection there, it's going to stay. You can even apply that same level of protection in the bore. And because you're increasing the lubrication, you're also actually increasing muzzle velocity, and that's been shown in many tests. One important aspect of when you use this is you need to start with a clean metal surface. Metal surface prep for TW25B is critically important. It's similar to painting a house. You wouldn't take old cracked paint and then just put new paint over top of it. You would clean the old paint off first. It's the exact same thing with this grease. You're applying a new level of lubricant, a new quality of lubricant. And to do that, you need to be able to access the metal. That grease needs to be able to penetrate those pores in that metal and let that lubricant work the way it's supposed to. If you do that, you will achieve maximum results.